My people, now good morning and good afternoon, and good evening. For today at the one location, I can monitor water connector. We want for our viewers from the talk show give Oga water connector man in front of me. Now the Oga be this Oga. Good evening.
Now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening.
You may want to talk to you. Say my name now Osabuye. What about your name?
My name now Mr. Obina. You know normal Obina.
That is the water connector.
Water connector man. Now small boy. Now I be agree to now.
Why they here? Now the work we one of our viewers giving now. Come monitor. You gonna take me there now the work? Whether you don't finish or you see it on it before they take me there around the work. Oga water connector man. What you would like tell our viewers when they patronize you through this our channel, particularly the one we give you this job.
I will say thank you for believing in me, for giving me the money that I take to do this work. And God will bless them and bless others. We don't see my work, don't give me money, I do their work for them. God will bless you now. Understand? My prayer be say God will give you that strength. When you see that money, they hustle with the money, build more houses for Bini. Nobody one, nobody two. And that's my prayer for now. I agree to now.
Amen. For that prayer when you pray for our viewers. Yes, so as a support to say amen. Amen, sir. So our viewers, before you give enough for account, well, you got to call our number. Our number sitting on top of this video. So Oga, the work when you do here, order for our viewers so they look at.
Okay, this one now white material. So now waiting our client requested for white material. So we started this work yesterday. So we don't want to round up the work. It remains small to round up. So we don't do the security house. So might just show you now the ones we don't do. Oh yes, sir. Okay. So now here we first start the gutter now.
Okay, from up here.
Yes, from up here. You see, it's on a white material. It's one of the usual black where we see for online. Because most of my work here now black. But this one, my customer too strong. He say no, now white he won't use. Say he won't use white. Still do painting and everything. So I say I don't get choice. I try to convince him make he use black.
Okay, you see now white in like
white like.
Now what he choose?
Yes,
you
sir.
go do one for them.
Yes, sir.
So I commend you for that one. As a talker, you do one.
Okay, sir. You see, now the first dropping down. As you see, we give a small allowance due to say maybe they'll do stampede floor.
Okay, stamp floor.
Yeah, stamp floor. So now we do so. So then the first dropping for the house. See now 2 pack. Take connect them. 2 pack. Then 4 clip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Down.
Okay, make it 4 that side.
Yes, not that side. You see, with the screw arm here, with the screw arm here. You see, now be our work. The screw arm here, the near arm, you see, 3 places. They get some people where they do work. They go screw arm here. Now only here the young cam. This one must follow. It's very important.
Okay, me for me kakaraka.
Kakaraka. You see this one, the same thing, the same thing with the last one. Yes, very very solid, affordable. No could make it kakaraka after. Very very strong material. So
okay, I see.
See.
So okay, now this I want to see.
We'll go around. So this one now. You see.
You follow this side of this bamboo.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll for the same way.
Okay, sir. So if we look at now, you see all those screw. You know those screw with the center. I know why they observe.
Screw for center.
Now you know see person use hanger. And the hand. Yes, and if you see this, if you not see this screw for this thing, you know see that wire work.
Okay.
Now wire work.
Why? And also, if person not see the screw, you know see that wire they take tire.
Yes, yeah.
And that wire, you know they strong.
No, they strong at all. And if you give her like 6 months safe, and you could sack, you could cut it because now something we see they quit the rust and the cut.
It's alright.
So see the second dropping. Okay, sorry. See the second dropping now. Okay, up to down. You see method. Screw
the same method.
Yeah, see I'm looking at now. You see I will still give an allowance for here.
Okay, because of the stamp floor.
For the stamp floor. So screw there here. Screw there this side. Screw. Yes, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one is the one where they join the 2 pipes together. So they call them pipe sockets.
Okay, pipe sockets.
Yes, pipe socket. If you see from my previous videos, this one I call say the wall is slanted. Yes. That's why you put them. But if you say now wall will be say it gets bent for instance under here, they can't use elbow. This one can't disappear because that don't need you don't need the function for that side. But this one say that slanted wall. This one function don't come and bulk.
Okay, because the one has your straight.
Yes.
Okay, now you mean.
Yes, sir.
It's alright.
So we don't do this one like this. You see, very straight. You know, we say. So see the just piping ground dropping. You see, as usual. See, very strong.
I see John, you hold out with that. It's strong, go.
It's strong. So not waiting did they use
Malaysian
put
material.
Material put. You see, so I bet so
we go jump here because of the bamboo when they put forward.
Sorry, chairman. Sorry.
No one.
Okay.
Nice up a climber.
Okay, sir. So all of now whites off. See both everything where they connect them. You get there. So,
okay, this one.
This one I'm not dropping again.
Not dropping again.
Down again.
Come down.
Yes, sir. See the same method. We know the.
This method when you show us.
This right here. You see now. You see, as we don't screw them, we can wrap them.
Yes.
With silicone gum. You see, now be the method. We use PVC gum, same joiner for there. Screw them, then wrap them with silicone gum. No sound. Very the only silicone gum say wrap them. So no get any one thing say what they vomit water or leak for here at all.
Never.
You understand? Same with the elbow where they up. Anything where they touch, with the wrap and put everything and the screwing. You understand? Because with the person where they manage material. You understand? Even though better say the material just they put down, even though say you remember one name, knock and put so make it tack well.
Therefore solid.
Yes, because it concern water.
We go water and force they
come. Now for up they force they come. No say anything they come from up, they come with force.
With force.
So we got to use. See the other drop in there.
May I see sure we're from here.
Okay, sir. See, some of that dropping for here. Down.
It's alright.
Yes, sir.
More the fire down.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, another drop is with this.
Yes, on that drop is there like this. So 1, 2 for back. Dropping.
So like how many you put for back here? Maybe 1.
1, 2.
This 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you hold on.
If you hold on way.
It's alright.
We'll
go this side.
I feel this after 6 months.
My people. No, we
work on progress. That's one of my teams, sir.
I don't see the CD up.
The CD up. So the more one got I won't wrap up for them.
Okay. Let's see follow up. Hey, okay, you shift moment. Shoot. I know so I see the work. Oh yeah, hope we pass them because they're working.
Yes, sir.
How you call this thing that time when you only call on?
The hanger,
hanger and the gutter.
You see the hanger here. You stand 1, 2, 3, 4. You stand so, and you know, see the one they place and so like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And maybe you see say I see they put up there.
Yes, as if I talk when I go interview for your office.
Yes, sir. So I don't want to remain to complete that now.
I don't see another one. Then they won't carry go up.
They carry up. So maybe all lay and finish. They don't lay and they'll come put one pipe for this place.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
see this one dropping. See you drop it there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Security house.
Yes, sir. So this security house now. Okay, sir.
Okay.
See this kind of style we will do for here now. Because where I be say the one all day to rest them. So we carry and come, we shift them, we tabat them, come.
Yes.
Very neat.
I say take on.
Very neat, take on.
But breeze don't feel fall.
No, nothing going. You see the today, You see wrap you wrap for here.
Yes.
Now almost we use one silicone gum. So we're not waiting with the managed gum at all. We wrap out to the way we say you don't go get any breeze or something. Understand? Okay, you know sir. You not get you just say kakaraka, you don't be waiting say it is shake or something.
I trust with that.
Yes, sir. So one at the first down at the first dropping, you see the second dropping there that side.
Sure, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah, now the second dropping.
The second dropping, push down. You see, as usual, screw in, concrete knee, screw into, concrete. I think exactly.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. Where if I say this one come on from outside.
They come on for outside there.
No.
Yes,
My
for
people,
outside.
you want to take me go frontage you when I see
Okay, see, you don't.
the remaining one when you do for this very house.
Come
Come down.
Yes, sir.
Another one today.
And I'll leave 3 dropping.
Me from here your view.
The back of
this
the
side.
house.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you go from there.
Okay.
So my people you don't take me around. Wherefore do this water connector for this very house. So Oga,
Yes, sir.
like how much cost do you know when you install this water connector for your house?
How much it costs this owner, both the material, both the labor, and the transport and everything. You know, see this work now due to the scaffold, the scaffold for the house, you not reach up. So I can't tell my client say make you not bother yourself that we ladder self we are expert in using ladder. No to they say we won't spend money for scaffold. I try to say because of workmen they say me they do scaffold. Money we go just do the scaffold, raise and go up, and it will cost the client like almost 80 to 90,000. And due to the make you to make our customer make you save money for your pocket, you have to bring ladder and not be any ladder, extension long ladder. We say they put on the ground, they fundable. And so both the material, the labor cost and everything is 450.
Okay, 450.
Yes, sir.
In case of other of you come across this walk through our channel, you see one for them like that?
Yes, because I treat my client equally. You can the same exact house where they get, I'll do it for them like that, sir.
Call your number when our viewer fit reach you.
Okay, my number now 070 69 78 6509.
That number they will fit reach you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, quick call now.
080 33 88 46 11.
My people, I greet you for time until they watch this video.
Chairman.